if I vlog like this, like you could see me, like it's like cute, like right, like it's a vlog like this. Look, you can't see me. Oh, this is good lighting. I just don't look good, so. Do you guys like my socks? Hi guys. So okay, so I really haven't uploaded anything, and I said I was gonna do that. That was like basically my New Year's resolution, but I'm failing at it. So, like I already did a vlog on school and like a rainy day, but it kind of sucked ass. So I was thinking, let me just like do another one, you know? I really don't have a purpose besides getting something uploaded. There's gonna be thunder. Hopefully there is. So yeah, tomorrow I'm going to vlog at school, and you guys are gonna see how my day goes. So yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow at school. And let's just hope we don't die or anything. YOLO. I just woke up and it's about to be 6:20. I don't even care about McDonald's anymore. I just want to go back to sleep. But I guess I can't. Anyways, I'll try to vlog at McDonald's. Goodbye, crackheads.
And it goes a little something like
Hey guys, as you guys can see, I'm back home, and the reason is because my stomach wanted to start acting up and it started hurting. So I told my mom that I didn't want to go to school. I don't know, I feel really bad. Like I really wanted to vlog at school. Since I'm not going to school, I'm gonna try to vlog like what I see at home. Pray for me that I don't throw up, because throwing up is like the worst feeling ever. I'm sorry that this like might be the most boringest vlog ever, but you know what, we gotta do what we gotta do. But my stomach still hurts, so I'm eating this piece of shit that I don't like eating because it's really sour and I don't like it. I don't know, and it just kind of makes me want to throw up even more, but it helps me, so can't complain. Oh my god, this shit needs to stop falling. I don't feel as bad anymore. I think, okay, let me just tell you guys, I feel like it's not that like the food that I eat that makes me want to throw up. It's school, because school scares me for some weird ass reason. Like today I had to do a presentation. I'm sorry Brisa, Miguel, Stacy, and Jackie for leaving you guys, but I felt like shit because my stomach was hurting. But as soon as I get home, it's like I fucking like my stomach just stopped hurting. Hey guys. It looks like horchata. Yeah. I'm finally leaving the house. So like it stopped raining. Right now we're gonna go pick up my sisters. My neighborhood is scary. Look, I'm getting a pimple. Bye. My neighborhood is really scary and I don't like vlogging here. Unless it's like really like lonely, like right now. So like there's no one around me. It feels good, but when someone comes around, it's kind of like I feel stupid. So right now there's like no one coming down the alley, so that's good. But if I see someone, I will freak out. Tell that hoe I'm moving. So right now I'm gonna eat. Okay, so right now I'm gonna go shower and then I'm either gonna go with my mom, or if not, then I'm gonna stay and put my Polaroid pictures up in my wall because I took them down. Duces. No. So like my outfit is fire right now. Tomorrow kids at school are not gonna handle this. I'm just kidding. That I don't think there's gonna be any thunderstorms today, so next day. Oh, my neck.
My back, my pussy and my crack.
Somebody come get her. She's dancing like a stripper. What are you doing? Get down. You guys probably can't see me that well, but I have to deal with this. Now we just gotta wait for this piece of shit to come out. To you. I think I can hold the camera with my feet. Hold on. So I didn't go with my mom, and I'm not gonna stop.
Hammer time. Go with the flow.
So my mom left me with this ugly ass rat. Even get over here. You're so ugly.